बदले चार कोस पर पानी। जन्मे कितने धर्म यहाँ, पनपी कितनी संस्कृतियाँ। बरसों की गुलामी ने सोने की चिड़िया के पर कतर दिए। नतीजा, आज़ादी के बाद अपॉर्चुनिटीज की तलाश में कितने ही इंडियंस विदेशों में जा बसे। जब कामयाबी मिली, कुछ वही के होकर रह गए, पर कुछ वापस लौटे अपने वतन, अपने हमवतनों के बीच। स्वदेश एक सफर है जिसमें हम मिलेंगे उन लोगों से जो पेरिस की रंगीली शाम और न्यूयॉर्क की कामयाबी छोड़ लौट आए, ताकि खुशहाल बन सके अपना देश।
स्वदेश में इस बार मिले साइको ओरिएंटोलॉजिस्ट बिमोल रॉकशिट से, जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल प्रोग्राम्स के जरिए लोगों को उनकी मानसिक क्षमताओं का भरपूर उपयोग करने की कला सिखाई। बिमोल का जन्म ओडिशा के एक छोटे से गांव बालासोर में हुआ था।
I was born in Balasore, a small town in the state of Odisha. I had 10 brothers and sisters. My father was a medical doctor. I was the youngest child, male child. Because I had many big brothers and sisters, I was like, in a way, getting a lot of affection, and in a way, I was also a troublemaker. And I was very stubborn, and whenever I want something, I will like to have it. And I had done a lot of mischief and troubled a lot of my brothers, especially sisters, those who were, helping me to grow in a product, guided, loved by my parents as well as my brothers and sisters.
घर में सबसे छोटे होने की वजह से बिमोल को खूब लाड़ प्यार मिला और स्कूल के शुरुआती दिनों में उनकी रुचि एकेडमिक से ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में रही।
As a student, I was sincere, but school days I was good in studies, but not very good in my very, very young age. I was very good during school finals, class 4, 5, 6, 7. I was okay, average student. I used to take part in a lot of extracurricular activities, doing dramas and singing and playing. I was very playful. I had a lot of friends. But at the same time, in front of elders, I'll be very quiet. I'll understand everything, but I will act as if I know nothing about nothing, talk less, and very shy about girls, and I was like that.
हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में मेरिट पाकर बिमोल को बड़ी आसानी से मुंबई के जेजे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स में दाखिला मिल गया, जहां उन्हें पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बड़े शहर का एक्सपोजर भी मिला।
College days, we used to bunk a lot of classes, and sometimes I feel that we learned more under the banyan tree in the campus compared to classrooms. That place has made me. Those teachers and that vibration in the college, in my time, it was fantastic. I owe my life to that college. It was great. And then as I passed, I lost my mother when I was in plus 12 or so. And naturally, I was missing sort of a family. I used to go back. Dad was there, very old, 2 unmarried sisters. Brothers were all settled here and there. So probably when I went to Delhi and I found a girl and I got married. I wanted to have a home. And I had to do a lot of other things. I had to do studies, I had to go abroad. So I thought, let this be done first. So that's how quickly after my education, I went to Delhi for doing a job and I got married there. And within 2 months, I left Delhi and went to the Middle East.
अपने कॉलेज की पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद बिमॉल को दुबई जाने का मौका मिला, जहां स्ट्रगल के साथ उन्होंने काफी कुछ सीखा और इसी दौरान उन्होंने सिल्वा मेथड्स की जानकारी भी हासिल की, जिसके बाद वो लंदन चले गए।
I was frustrated because of the job situation and I thought it's high time I must educate myself more. And that is the time I came across this system to use the mind, and my total frustration, I was depressed, and that is the time I used this system and I could create the money, I could create my place in the United Kingdom, and with the mind I went. Probably I was destined to learn this in that time.
सिल्वा मेथड ने मानो बिमॉल का जिंदगी को देखने का नजरिया ही बदल दिया। वो लंदन गए तो थे आर्किटेक्चर की पढ़ाई और जॉब के सिलसिले में, पर उनकी रुचि सिल्वा मेथड की ट्रेनिंग में इस कदर बदल गई कि उन्होंने यूएस से इस मेथड की कारीगरी सीख भारत में इसे लाने का मन बना लिया।
I wanted to do something for India. I came back in '92, resigning my job. My British passport was coming, but that was not giving me satisfaction. Always India was there in my heart, and here I wanted to do something for my country. I wanted to be a useful person to the people here, my family members, my friends, relatives, in general, public, whatever. I had a strong urge to give back something where I learned, where I was created, and in '92 I came here and did very little architecture, only one building here, one flat there, but I started training people and transforming their life. I mean, I started doing architecture with the mind of the people rather than just doing buildings.